It's perfectly level in the pool. So you don't have to worry about putting these things in crooked. Okay. So that's one thing. But the real thing is that we have these caps. They're not threaded. There's no thread that can break. These are machined so they pop on perfectly with a rubber seal. And that's it. That's all there is to it. You want to remove it? Just pop it off. Very, very simple. Also 3/16 steel. Now, since the inner diameter of these sleeves are the same as the old plastic ones, but they're not going to change shape, we have made what's called a pin system. And the pin is designed to, let me back this up just a little bit so you guys can see it. The pin is designed so that you can add an adapter. And if you want to see perfection in machining, that is perfection. There's no movement. Your umbrella will always be straight. There won't be any wobble. There's no wiggle. You don't have to worry about wind or any of that type of stuff. Absolute perfect machining. And that's what you get with the steel sleeves. So you can add an adapter and then you can put in any size umbrella you want. If you want to put in a 10 foot, a 12 foot, a 14 foot, these will allow you to do that because they're not going to crack. They're not going to break. They're not going to change shape. You add an adapter and you're good to go. So if you're a pool guy that's offering high quality pool equipment, this is a no-brainer. You should never be installing plastic again. There's really no reason for you to install plastic. It makes no sense. Far superior quality, far superior machining accuracy, far superior look as far as when you're building a pool, you're not putting plastic in. You're putting stainless steel that is absolutely sexy. So just so that you guys know, like I said, stop installing plastic. That's not the way to go anymore. The stainless steel for 2026 and beyond is what our pool guys are doing. Everybody loves them. They're going to last you 20 years. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Give us a call, or you can check us out online at BajaMate.com. And there you go. Any questions, let us know. Have a great day.